I want to show you something that I found this week. Do you have the 1010 Festool plunge router that has the older oval connection for the vacuum hose? Over the years of putting this round vacuum onto that oval shape, that you can see that this end of the vacuum connector has cracked. So I was showing that in one of my Zoom classes, and one of my students said, did you know they make a replacement part for that? He found it on Etsy. It's a third party that's selling them, and it's called Tool Curve. Toolcurve.com. I found this on Etsy, and it was $23, and it came within 3 days. So when I got this, I opened the box, and they made it so it's oval on one end, round on the other. So much easier to connect. You slide that oval on top of the oval, you lock that in, you put the vacuum hose inside that, and it spins and it locks in place. That is an awesome solution. Rather than me going out and buying a whole new router to get that feature for $23, I saved the money buying a second router that I didn't need. So I'm happy with that. That should help.